Hello, it's Rachel. Today's project is a mixed media art tag. I'm working on a smooth white cardstock and applying two different fresco finish paints using a baby wipe. The colours I've chosen here are Cheesecake, which is the lighter shade, and Zesty Zing, which is the brighter lemon colour. To add some stamping to my background, I've chosen a music stamp by Crafty Individuals, and I'm stamping this on the tag using archival ink in Venetian orange. When I've finished this, I choose a stencil from Crafter's Workshop. This is called Mini Paradise, and I'm going to sponge through this using a piece of Ranger cut and dry foam and some paint by Americana in the colour Golden Straw. Next, I've taken a red shade of Cosmic Shimmer watercolours. This is called Lava Red, and I'm painting this onto a piece of lightweight cardstock so that I can stamp over it. I've chosen to use a butterfly image by Darkroom Door for my focal point on the tag. I'm stamping this butterfly 3 times using archival ink in jet black, and I've chosen to use a Tim Holtz stamping platform because the nature of the Cosmic Shimmer watercolours, due to their pearlescence, resists the ink slightly, so I wanted to get a dark impression, or as dark as I could get it. After the butterflies have dried, I decide to stamp them also directly onto the tag so that I get back the antenna, which you cannot cut out. I'm using a stamping positioner by Woodware in order to get the butterflies lined up where I'd like them to be. I have now decided to add some further stenciling to my project. This is a Tim Holtz mini stencil, and I'm using some gesso through this with a piece of Ranger cut and dry foam. Now I'm taking a flourish stamp by Crafty Individuals, and I'm going to stamp this around the border of my tag in archival ink. This time the colour is Vermilion. Before I attach my butterflies, I wanted to add some black splatters to the tag. For this, I'm just using some dilute acrylic paint, and then I attach my butterflies using soft gel medium. For the quote on my page, I've used my Brother labelling machine and I'm edging each piece of the text using archival ink in jet black. To define some areas of the butterflies further, I've chosen to use a black micron pen. So I use this to go over the antenna and some other areas where the butterflies had not stamped as well as I would have liked them to have done. After this, I choose a white Posca paint pen to add some highlight and further detail to the butterflies. Finally, I choose to add a deep edging of jet black ink around the tag. This is going to frame the piece, and because it is quite busy, it's going to draw the eye closer onto the focal images. The last thing I need to do here is to punch a hole, which I've done using a crocodile tool, and thread some matching fibres that I've selected from my stash. And that is everything for today. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you need a full product list, there is the link in the video description. My mixed media challenge group is also there, as well as my other social media sites.